I received this digital camera as a gift and I wanted to do a full in-depth walkthrough because this is such a great option for beginners, teens, or anyone wanting to get into photography or vlogging without something complicated. This camera shoots up to 5K video and 75 megapixel photos, which is really impressive for a compact, lightweight camera. It gives you crisp detail whether you're taking photos or recording video, and it feels like a big upgrade from using just a phone. One of my favorite features is the 180-degree flip screen. If you're vlogging, filming YouTube videos, or recording yourself, being able to see the screen from the front makes such a big difference. You can frame your shot, check focus, and make sure everything looks right without guessing. The camera also has autofocus, which is especially helpful for beginners. You don't have to constantly adjust settings or worry about whether you're in focus. It does a good job keeping things clear while you're filming or taking photos. This camera comes with Wi-Fi, which makes it easy to transfer photos and videos to your phone or other devices. That's really convenient if you want to upload content quickly or share photos without having to remove the memory card every time. It also includes a 64 gigabyte card, so you can start using it right out of the box. You don't have to buy extra storage just to get started, which I really appreciate. The size of this camera is another big plus. It's compact, lightweight, making it great for travel, everyday use, or carrying around without it feeling bulky. It fits easily in a bag, which is perfect for vlogging, trips, or casual photography. I think that this camera is especially great for beginners because the controls are straightforward and easy to understand. You don't need advanced camera knowledge to use it, but it still gives you quality results that feel polished. This would also be a great option for teens who are interested in photography or making videos. It feels like a real camera experience without being overwhelming or overly technical. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. The digital camera offers high-resolution photos, smooth video, useful features like Wi-Fi and a flip screen, and an easy-to-use design. Whether you're starting a YouTube channel, vlogging, traveling, or just want to take better photos, this camera is solid, beginner-friendly choice that still delivers great quality.